Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Crosshair X if it's not opening. Alright, so first up, I assume that you already have installed all available Windows updates, okay? Go ahead and click on Windows Updates. Right here, check for updates. And just make sure that you install all available updates, okay? And once that's done, you'll restart your computer and check your Crosshair X if it opens now. Now, if that still work, okay, just go ahead and open up Steam or Epic Games. Now go ahead and find Crosshair X, stop it, click on confirm, wait for it to fully stop. Now go ahead and right click on Crosshair X, click on properties, okay. Just go ahead and find this similar option for Epic Games. Under general, we have here, select launch option. So just go ahead and select either ask when starting a game or launch in safe mode, okay. Close this one, click on launch. Now go ahead and select launch in safe mode and hit on play. And once that's done, go ahead and find the menu and check if it helps, okay? Try to enable your Crosshair. Now if that still will work, go ahead and go to the bottom left, okay? Just click on options. Down here under hardware acceleration, make sure that this one is turned off. All right? And once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. Now if that still will work, if you do have antiviruses, okay? Make sure to disable it for now and check if it helps. If you have a game opened, let's say you're playing Valorant, Fortnite, Counter-Strike, make sure that you enable the video option, okay, windowed full screen or windowed mode, as some games, okay, doesn't work well with Crosshair X right here, or doesn't work with full screen, okay. Make sure to try windowed full screen or windowed mode. Now, if you do want to play in full screen, okay, I have this recommendation where you go ahead and choose game bar. So press Windows plus G on your keyboard. And as you can see here, I have here the Crosshair X extension. Now, if you do want to know how to set this up, we do have a separate video for that. Just go ahead and look it up in the channel, okay? And if all else fails, you can just go ahead and reinstall Crosshair X via Steam or Epic Games. Click on it, stop, confirm, then right click, manage, uninstall, and just reinstall it. Right? Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.